Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yesterday, or not yesterday, this morning we had ADP non-farm payroll. And we also have tariffs being released later today, when Trump speaks, but that's later today. So hopefully we can get something in before he speaks, because I don't want to be trading when he speaks, and I'm done at 11 anyway. I think he's I think his speech is at like 2 p.m. or something like that. Good morning, Navid. I hope you're doing well, bro. Hope you're doing well. Alrighty, guys. So I came on here a little bit early just to mark up the charts and to see what news did. So looks like we've been pushing down since Asia, right? We've been pushing down since Asia. We created a nice doji here on the 4-hour at Asia, or when the market opens. All right, when it opened, not when it opens. I just went on a nice little run this morning, guys. I went on a nice run. So I'm hoping that, these runs that I go on helps to clear a lot of brain fog, mental fog before I get on the charts. Let me put my phone on Do Not Disturb. Put that away. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one here. I'm going to delete this. We can delete that. All right, so right now, looks like we are tapping into yesterday's New York Open. Okay, looks like we're tapping into yesterday's New York Open. Oh, by the way, never mind, it's not important. Anyway, we're already tapping into yesterday's New York Open. It's also an FVG right here, but it looks like we tried to inverse it, but then rejected the inverse. But we are tapping back into New York Open now. But I'm not taking a trade until around 9:15, 9:30 a.m. I would wait for just 9:30, but lately and through a lot of my back testing, a lot of the trades like to play out between like 9:15 and 9:30. And then you kind of hold all the way until like whenever it hits TP or whatever. So 9:15 is a really nice prime time for an entry if everything aligns the way I want it to. Let me play a little bit of music. But yeah, good morning, everybody. Please like the video and subscribe to Trading Nut if you have not already subscribed, my friends. Right, so let's finish marking up my chart. So we're going to mark off these lows here because we're really close to it. So it's very possible that we could take them out. All right, marking up my highs of each session. Why am I marking up my highs of each session? Hold on, let me close this door because of landscaping. Such loud mowers. Okay, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm marking up my highs of each session and my lows of each session because this is where a lot of liquidity is resting. A lot of resting liquidity sits here. So if we do, start to trend bullish, then these are the highs that we will look to target and take for TP. We have this New York low all the way down here, but I don't know if we're gonna come all the way down here. But I'll mark it up just in case. We have a lot of internal lows as well, but I'll mark those up as we go along. So, and now here's my New York Open. I already marked it up, but I'll mark it up again. So we wait for the first 15-minute candle to close during New York Open. New York Open is at 8 a.m., but NYSE Open is at 9:30 a.m. So there's a difference. Okay, New York Stock Exchange Open 9:30, but just New York Open, New York Market 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. EST. All right, so since we already closed past this New York Open, but let me tell you, I would like to see us continue down just to take out the rest of this low. But I have a strong feeling we're going to come all the way back up just to grab the. We got a nice clean move down, so we could see a pretty nice clean move back up. But now, just really waiting for like 9:15, 9:30, because our news already came out for earlier this morning. Yeah, Trump is speaking. It says 4 p.m. Trump is speaking at 4 p.m. So yeah, we're definitely not going to be in the markets by then. So yeah, I'm glad he's speaking at that time. Yeah, we already had our ADP non-farm employment change. I want to see at least 9:15. Because if we can come down here and take out these lows here, I would love to see us bounce up all the way back up. We are curving. It's a nice curve. So obviously we're bearish right now. So I would like to continue with the trend until I see some type of market structure shift. Or I can see a closure above New York Open and then a retest to take out these highs. I don't even know why I'm yawning. I just went on a beautiful run. I'm not tired. Good morning, Tara. Antigua. Where's that? Oh, that sounds pretty cool. Where is that at, bro? What country is that in? Welcome, welcome. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy you're here. Please don't forget to hit that like button down below, okay? This is free content. All of this shit is free from the Trading Nut. Ham. He's a great guy. Right now, I'm gonna be a little bit bearish until we take out this low, until we take out this next low, or if we close above this New York open. But overall, I would like to say, I would like to say that I would like to be bullish, just because we've been pushing down so much. But the only way I'm gonna be bullish is if I see a nice little confirmation. Okay, SMC, Smart Money Concepts. I mean, kind of, but not fully. I mean, I'll use some fair value gaps here and there and like a draw on liquidity. But I'm not gonna sit here and use like BSL and SSI or whatever the hell it is, or SIBI, SIBI, and that's too much for me. That's too much for me. Okay, it doesn't have to be that complicated. All you need is liquidity. That's it. That's all you need. Liquidity, candle patterns, trend, and that's it. I don't need all this SIBI and I mean, I'll use SMT though. I'll use SMT like let's see what the ES is doing. So ES is moving down too. ES is also bearish right now. So right now we're just gonna stay bearish since ES is also bearish as well. Okay, gonna stay bearish for a little while until we take out this low. If we take this low out and then we start reversing, okay, I'm gonna probably become bullish a bit. Um, in the middle of the Caribbean. Wow. Wow, you must be eating good out there, bro. You must be eating really good out there. Ooh. What you eating out there, bro? Caribbean food is good. It's good, good. But guys, yo, I am $500 away from passing the challenge. I also have a few more challenges that I have. Let me see. Well, I'm $500 away from passing. Well, not even 500. Like $460 or something like that. Pretty much 500. Whatever. I got about $800 on this one to pass, and then this one I just need like 1,000. Little about 2%. Roasted breadfruit. That's a new one, bro. Cocoa tea. Yo, I want some tea right now, actually. I might go make myself some peppermint tea. Watching from Botswana, Southern Africa. Man, I love all these people on here and how everybody is just from a different country or within the same country that I'm in. But I'm in the US, guys. I'm in the US, so I know obviously I sound very American. I do not like our president. Please don't hate me. Okay, don't hate me. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. It's a sad next 4 years to be an American, guys. We are the laughing joke of the world right now, and it's very embarrassing. Like, just it's embarrassing, bro. Like, I don't even want to tell people I live in the U.S. But you know what? From now on, I'm just gonna tell people I live in Canada. Like, you wouldn't even know. How would you know? Agreed. Not the clown emoji, bro. No. Yeah, we're a laughing stock. Fucking idiots. And now everybody's just like, oh no. Well, we tried to tell you. Once a scammer, always a scammer. You're here too? Oh, okay, good, good, good. That makes me feel a little better. That makes me feel my own my own is giving me the clown face. All right, bet. I can deal with that. Yeah, screw that guy. Hey, but at least the Democrats won in Wisconsin yesterday. Democrats won in the Supreme Court. So hey, that's totally fine. That's totally fine. Politics are politics, you know? Freedom of speech. I'm not bashing or anything. I'm not bashing at all. Everybody has their own opinions. And that's okay. We can agree to disagree. That's totally fine. I will say though, like thank you Trump for, this market because a lot of the times when tariffs are coming out, everybody's just selling. So everybody kind of already automatically knows what to do in the market when we know tariffs are coming out. So sometimes it's a good thing. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's a good thing for the markets. So hated beloved. Uh it's looking a little we got a nice 30-minute FVG right here, also inside of this New York Open. So if we can come up here, close above this New York Open, we're also going to be inversing this 30-minute FVG. And if we do that, we're going to be pushing up to these highs up here. Really? Well, I'm glad. Like you've been following me or you've been following the trading net? Let me see on the ES too. Yeah, ES has a 30-minute FVG as well. So let's say that we also close above here on ES. We will have a beautiful continuation. Oh man, it's getting hot. Getting hot. Every day, no. Well, I don't go live every day on Trading Nuts YouTube. However, if you want to join my Discord, I do post my trades and my analysis. I may not do it every single day, but I do post them, and so I mean it's completely free. If you want to join, I'm going to post it here in the chat. I am slowly building it up, so I'm going to be adding more and more to the Discord as time goes on. So totally join if you guys want to. It's free, you know. Ooh, it's kind of hot, guys. All right, since I got about 5 minutes, I'm just gonna grab some water and some tea real quick. So like I said, wait until about 9:15, 9:30, 9:15, 9:30 a.m. to see what we want to. Yo, Get it. Okay, yeah, let me get some water real quick. All right. Yeah, on days like this, I don't really post it into um the Discord. Sometimes I do, but I am gonna do it today. We have a 30-minute FUG. Why is this doing first? G. Yeah. True. Okay. So we have this 30-minute FVG. Oh, I will teach you. I will teach you. Don't worry. I'll teach after the trade. Okay, after the trade. Because right now, gotta focus on the trade. And then, after the trade plays out, then I'll teach you guys why the trade played out, why I took the trade. I mean, I'm already telling you why I took the trade, but yeah. We could also see a sweep of liquidity from yesterday's New York low to then take longs into session highs. or a continuation into shorts to target lower. But here is the FVG. Okay. I think I have it already on here. Yeah. All right, let me just take a pic really quickly of this. Yeah, looks like we're trying to come down. Looks like we're targeting lower. We're trying to, but we'll see what happens. This is what we could see. And we just keep pumping up higher and higher. Could also take some trades on ES because, I mean, they're both pretty much exactly alike. So we're staying bearish. Let me grab my tea. Okay. All righty. Let's see here. This is yesterday's New York Open. Let's wait for 9:30. I think that'll be best. Yeah, it'll be best to wait for New York Stock Exchange Open. That's at 9:30. My social media deets, sure. I think I just changed my social media name. Yeah. So let me see what I just changed it to. Um, Where's my... Oh, there it is. That's my Instagram. I only have Instagram. I don't have like TikTok or anything. Also, my YouTube is being streamed for this live as well. Um, However, I don't really. I used to post videos, some videos I was starting up, and then I just kind of stopped. But I need to start doing that again. Yeah. Has anybody taken any trades yet for the day though? Like, did you guys trade news this morning? Anybody trade for London session? Because it seems like a lot of you guys are in a totally different time zone than I am. It's obviously coming down. I just need to make sure. Close below here. I'm gonna take some shorts down into this DOL here. But okay. Looks like we're trying to close past it. Okay. I am getting into shorts. And I'm targeting down here. I am in shorts currently. Let's see what happens. We broke past here. Nice break of structure. We're in a downtrend. Rejected the FEG. Closed past New York. Retested it. So only place to go is towards this magnet. Where is the magnet? Where's the magnet? Oh, there it is. see that as a magnet. I really would have liked to get shorts like right here, like a few points, about like, what is this, like 12 points higher, but it's okay. Yeah, this FEG is for later. We're definitely going to come down here and then start reversing. Well, I don't know about definitely, but that's definitely where I'm targeting. I'm putting it above this high here, this 5-minute high, because I don't want it to come back up and break above its own high. If we already close below this little break of structure right here on the 5, like it barely closed below it, but it did. Went in pretty light here, only on one account. Staying bearish because that's the trend. But if we close back above, hit my stop loss, then I'll look for longs. Then I'll look for longs. Oh, we have an SMT. All right. Let's see here. Let's see. See, this is probably just a little retest. This structure that we just broke. As soon as we break this low, we should be good to come all the way down. Yep, as soon as we break this low. Break it. It didn't fully break it yet. Just kind of bounced around a little bit here. All right. I guess longs are trying to or buyers are really trying to step in here, huh? They are really trying to step in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. ES has a SMT here. All right, so I just got stopped out of that. All right, so looks like shorts are probably done. If we're trying to push up like this here, 'cause we're struggling to continue down for open. Open should have like either continued pushing us down, but now we're creating an SMT. Starting to create an SMT from ES and NQ. All right, let's pump up above this FEG here. Hey, tapping into that 30-minute FEG and the New York Open here. So that was a false break right there. Yep, that was a false break. Looks like we're gonna get some longs, guys. I want longs. Now I want longs. If we can inverse this FBG here, I'm gonna take some longs into these highs. So this trade did not play out. I'm gonna leave it there though. All right. I'm in longs. I'm in longs. We're inversing like a bitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's right there. Just hit it. Oh, I just passed. I just passed one of my combines. Ah, fuck yeah. Oh, I'm not even sharing this tab. Here we go, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna close 5 here. I'm closing 5 here. I'm actually going to close 3 more and let 2 run. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Jesus, look at that push. Wow. Wow. I'm going to sell 3, guys. I'm just going to sell 3 and leave 2 running. See if we can take out this London high and this Asia high. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was great. That was great, guys. That was great. I went from a losing trade to a winning trade. I just passed one of my combines. Um, Made all of it back and some. I just want to hold this. I don't even want to. Let's just see where it goes. Let's just see where it goes. Oh man. Oh man. You know what? I'm gonna close one more. I'm gonna close one more. Why should I be greedy? Why should I be greedy? Oh my God. How many ticks was that? That was a crazy pump. 401 ticks, 100 points. 100 points in like fucking like 2 minutes. You know what? I'm just gonna close out, guys. Because I really want to hold it here, but like, oh my God. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna hold it. I'm just gonna hold it. It's only one contract. It's only one contract. It's only one contract. Wow, that was beautiful. Oh my God, that was so amazing. Man, what a great trade. I just fucking passed my fucking combine. I have like $307 away from passing my next combine. And then now I'm like 600 away from passing another one too. So, oh wow. That was a great trade. That was a great read, you know? Especially seeing how ES was moving. It's like okay, we're about to inverse this FVG, guys. A lot of volume is pumping up. Okay. I'm just gonna let that one rock. Let's see where it can go. I would like to see us at least take out some London highs first. Excuse me. Man, that was beautiful. We inversed that 30-minute FVG, and then we had us. Well, we pretty much just fucking pushed past New York Open. So I wasn't even gonna wait for a closure at that point. Like I just, you can just tell from sometimes you can just tell like how it's moving. You can see the candle, like how quick it's going. We're like, oh God, gotta get in now, gotta get in now. Especially after this. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm getting in. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right. So after this trade, I can go ahead and teach exactly why I got into the trade, um, where my mindset was, and the setup. Just want to see how this plays out. Man, that was so good. Just gonna hold it. Because why not? Let's see where it goes. Anyway, all right, so I can come over here, show you guys why I took the trade. Could probably actually get another entry here because we might retest New York Open. And if we get a retest of New York Open, that's a strategy for a break and retest. So we broke above it, come back to retest, enter, target longs. This will be a new high that we target if we do get the retest. And you see how we actually pretty much reacted from this old level DOL, London highs. These are old London highs from Tuesday. Actually, this is yesterday. Sorry. Somebody in my Discord asking me something about the trade. Okay. Woo, baby! What are we up right now? Hold on, let me see what we're up right now. 116 points, guys. Almost 500 ticks, bruh. Did anybody catch that trade with me? Like, did anybody press that button? Or are you guys still learning to be a little more confident with me? Because, oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Man, with that strong of a push up, wow. Sorry, I'm just so stuck on this. This was a crazy trade, but it makes sense because let's see. It makes a lot of sense. So we had right here this candlestick right here, this 815 candlestick. That was a news candle. Okay, so we took out the data lows, which makes sense. Okay, I'm starting to really see a lot of things now. Okay, so we took out the data low of the news candle, and this was a 5-minute FVG right here. We tried to inverse this FVG as well with this 815 news candle. This FVG right here. If you don't know what FVG is, wait, okay. Do you guys know what an FVG is, or do I need to like be typing this out? Should I tell you guys what an FVG is, or do you already know? Do you know how to look for it? Do you know how to mark it up? Should I be like teaching that, or should I just mark up the FVG? You do? Okay, good. You know how to make it. You know how to look for it and all that shit. Good. All right, so FVG here. Obviously, we already had a retest of this FVG Tuesday, but we tried to completely inverse it right here with this 815 candle, and then rejected the inverse, took out this low here for 9:15. For 9:30 a.m. open, we had a nice reversal. We took out the data high of the 815 candle, and then we just continued pushing up. Yep, that's right. Okay, cool. So I don't need to explain it. You already know how to find it. Good, 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 good. We're about to push up into these London highs. I don't want to take full TP at these London highs. We just took out this internal high here. Anyway, sorry, got distracted with my trade. I'm gonna move my stops a little bit. Yeah, because we could come back down into this FVG here, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and close. Yeah, I'm just gonna close. All right, that was beautiful. That was beautiful on this account. That's nice. Okay. Had a loss, and now I'm back. Okay. All right, so since we were rejecting these lows, right? And we were pushing down for both Asia and London. We pretty much grabbed the DOL from this 815 candle, right? Data lows. So we grabbed enough liquidity, started pushing back up. We saw it start rejecting here, and especially on ES, we have a double bottom. So on ES, we had our first signal on ES with the double bottom, pretty much a nice SMT that was being formed because we had a low here, but ES didn't really form a new low, right? So I saw ES starting to push up. We also had this little 5-minute wannabe trend line right here. Wannabe. We pretty much broke past it. We broke past it here as well on NQ. So we have multiple confirmations. Double bottom on ES, SMT, flipping. We pushed through this FEG, the 30-minute FEG, very, very strong. We inversed it very strong. I had no hesitation on taking these longs, especially because of how well we pushed up at this 930 candle. And that's it. That's why I took my trade. I was following the candles. I was following who was in the market at the time. And buyers were taking over. Buyers were fully taking over. How much is fair value gap? This fair value gap is 85 points on the 30-minute. That's an 85-point fair value gap. I would really like to see like at least 40 points in your fair value gap. At least 40 points would be really nice. How much floating? Oh, I had about like 300 floating profit that I just closed out from. Look, it's probably going to take our London highs here, but it's fine. It's fine. I lost some and I made it all back plus some, and then I passed the combine. I passed my combine. I don't even know how long I was trading that for. Maybe like a week. About a week. Damn, look at that, guys. It's just fucking pumping. It's just fucking pumping. That was a 3 to... Well, I would have had my stops like below here. So yeah, oh yeah, look at that. It's literally right next to the highs. It wants to take it out. And then when you find your direction, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to like, I don't know, you can come to the 5-minute, I guess. That's fine. And just find some internal highs to take out, right? So could have had your first TP about like right here. Excuse me. Oh, that's a 15-minute. Excuse me. And then this would have been another level for which is where these London highs are. These old London highs. So old levels of liquidity still are actually quite valid. Yeah, here's some internal highs. See how we took it out here? Let me show you. Internal high here. We took this out with this candle, and then we started coming back down a little bit. So people had some take profits here. We had on here, 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 and here. It's this overall TP here. Oh my gosh. Asked another combine, and another one, and another one, and another one. Man, I'm really trying to have like, I would really love to have 10 combines by the end of the year. Or at least, yeah, by the end of the year for this year. That's my goal. I want 10 past combines. I have 2 right now. I'm working on another 2. And, you know. Oh, Lord. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. But yeah, did anybody learn anything? Is there anything that you guys want me to go over that you're curious about? Are you curious about my levels of DOL? You know what I mean? Like, is anything meeting your eye? Again, I'm not. This is my last day trading on Trading Nuts Live for the week. Again, if you want to join my Discord, you can come trade with me for free. It's free. It's free. It's free. For now. Free for now. So if you get in while it's free, then you'll be in for life. All right. I'll put you in the premium whenever it happens. I'm not going to be doing that for a while though until I'm on here a little bit longer for you guys to see my profitability and my success, and then maybe I'll do so. But for now, everything is just completely free. It's just all free. Why not? So if you guys want to trade with me later on this week, join the Discord. I'll be posting my analysis in the Discord, and like my targets, my bias for the day, and we can chat. We can talk. And if you don't have Discord, you need to get Discord. If you're a trader, you need to get Discord. You need to get Discord. It's the best way to network, guys. It's the best way to network. Networking. I need to journal this trade. Man, that was such a beautiful trade. God, I'm just like quite obsessed with myself right now. I closed at like 125 points, I believe. Time frames? What do you mean? You want me to explain time frames or something? Is that what you're saying? Because I don't really know what that means. So, guys, Apex code 80% off. What do you mean, Orman? What do you mean by time frames, bro? Help me to understand what you're trying to tell me, bro. Oh, yeah. Man, that was beautiful. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to journal this trade really quickly. You guys want to play Wordle or something? Let's play Wordle. Let's play Wordle. All right. If anybody played Wordle before, because we're done trading for the day, we got a very nice 125-point move. So, well, over that. So we're gonna go ahead and place a little bit of Wordle. Guess the Wordle in 6 tries. Each guess must be a valid 5-letter word. The color of the tiles will change to show how close your guess was to the word. Okay? Guys, hopefully you know how to play. Put your money where your mouth. Put your money where your mouth is. Okay, it's not mouth. Oh, wait. What the? Okay. So put your money where your. Oops. Um. Put your money where your. What the hell is even the um. Put your money where your um. Let me see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. U under. Okay, so we got U and E and R. Okay. It's not TH, so it's not thunder. Number? No. Let's see. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Come on, help me out. Give me a word. Give me a word. U and E and R, bro. No, it's not O. It's not. There's no O or N. There's no T. There's no H. Wars. Oh, okay. So I got the U and the E in the right place. I mean, the U and the R in the right place. FUR. Oh, multi-time frame analysis. How do you do it? Oh, okay. I can show you. I can show you for sure. After you help me figure out this goddamn Wordle of the day. Purse. Oh, okay. So we need one more letter. One more letter. Shit. All right. So I got URSC in the right place, guys. What the fuck is that word? Curse? Is it curse? It's curse. Hey. We got it. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. We took out London highs. TP hit. TP smacked. So the multi-frame analysis, I'll come down to the just one chart. Oh yeah, TP got smacked, guys. Nice. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. All right, so multi-frame analysis. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start on the daily. Let's do today. We'll start on the weekly. So really come down to the higher time frames just to find some direction. Okay, so we find a lot of direction on the higher time frames. So obviously we've been pushing down for like weeks, bro. Weeks since you know who came into the office. So he who not be named. Okay, so then we come down to the daily for today. Still looking for some analysis. Oh, look at that. Actually, there is a huge daily FVG here. That's a huge daily FVG. Anyway, we come down to our 4 hour to find some direction. And what we can see here on the 4 hour is that, yes, we are trending bearish over here, but it looks like we're trying to start pushing back up because we're forming some higher highs and higher lows. So if we can break above this 4 hour candle high, then we have a very strong chance of continuing to push up and fill the rest of this 4 hour candle. For all these sellers that are resting inside of this candle. Higher highs, higher lows. So it looks like we're trying to be bullish, right? And for the 1 hour, we come down to it. The 1 hour looks like it's matching up pretty well with the 4 hour. We have our lows here. Okay, we got our highs. We never came down here to break this low. So that's confirmation to tell us we're going to stay bullish. Keep pushing back up. Right? Low, low, low. High, low. High, low. So if we can, push all the way back up to this dude. That's how I would see it. You want your lower time frames to be match up with your higher time frames. So if your higher time frame is bearish, but your lower time frame is saying bullish, we're in a pretty confused market at the time. And I really want to see everything lined up with each other. So the 30 or the 5-minute was lining up with the 15 and the 30-minute. So that also was a reason why I took my longs after getting stopped out. It was an obvious long. It was 9:30. Oh wow, look at that. We just took out DOL here, and I'm gonna start pushing up or pushing back down. But yeah, you really want your lower time frames to match up with your higher time frames, bro. That will definitely make your trade a lot more easier to read, and you will be way less stressed trying to trade against the higher time frame. Oh, all right, guys. Well, again, I'm done for the day. We had a very nice, man, that was such a nice trade, guys. Such a nice trade. Hopefully we can do it again on Monday. But yeah, if you guys want to continue trading with me for the free, join my Discord. The link is in the description down below. Or not the description, I'm sorry. In the chat. I'll put it in there again one more time. Come trade with your boy. Come trade with your boy. Network with me. Network with people in the Discord already. And yeah. Let's get it. You'll join? All right. Get in there, Ormond. Get in there, bro. So I'm about to get off. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was a trade for the day. If you guys are still trading, you could definitely see a little retest of New York Open for a nice scalp. I don't know if it's going to come all the way back up to Asia highs, but you could see a nice little scalp trade from New York Open. A little retest and then maybe like a 30-point bounce if you want to target that for 30 points or like 25 points. Pretty easy, 100 ticks. But I'm done, guys. I'm so done. I'm done. Somebody adding me? All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Oh yeah, just remember we do have tariffs coming out, but that's later today at like 4 p.m. Well, it's pretty much already out, but Trump is going to be talking at 4 p.m. So, ugh. See you guys later. If you're still trading, make sure you're safe. Stay safe. Today is going to be, the rest of the day is probably going to be probably pretty choppy or more volatile because of the tariff news. So I'm going to save that. Again, if you're still trading, stay safe. Use stop loss. Wear protection. Use condoms. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Have a good rest of your week. I'll be back on Monday to trade on Trading Nuts live stream. If not, join my Discord. It's free. Come trade with me. See my analysis. Network with people inside. And you guys take care. Bye.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.